I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Top Pro projector. First, let's get it set up. Carefully unbox all components, including the projector, power cable, and remote. Connect the power cable to the projector and then to a power outlet. Place the projector on a stable surface, ideally within 10 feet of your screen, for optimal image quality. This ensures a clear and bright display right from the start. Now, let's connect your devices. For most modern equipment like laptops or streaming sticks, use an HDMI cable to plug into one of the projector's HDMI input ports. If you're using an older device, the VGA port is available, and remember to connect a separate audio cable if needed. Always double-check that all connections are secure to avoid any interruptions during your viewing experience. With your devices connected, it's time to fine-tune the image. Power on both the projector and your source device. If the image looks distorted, use the keystone correction feature, either a dial on the projector or an option in the on-screen menu, to square it up. Then, gently rotate the focus ring around the lens until the picture is perfectly sharp and clear from edge to edge. Finally, let's look at advanced features and maintenance. Dive into the projector's menu to adjust settings like brightness, contrast, and color to suit your environment. For longevity, always ensure good ventilation around the unit to prevent overheating. Also, remember to gently clean the lens with a soft, lint-free cloth every few weeks to keep your projected image crystal clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.